Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. When it comes to my grandson, I'm always on the search for toys that are going to help him be active and creative. This is a bubble mower from ArtCreativity, and it has done exactly what I hoped for. The minute I showed it to him, he's off and running with it, and he just finds so much joy in running back and forth through the yard, through the patio, everywhere. It's easy enough for him to turn on his own. It has a little push button motor that actually operates separately from the mower being pushed. So even if it's not moving and the motor is running, you'll get bubbles from it. But then also just pushing it around has been really fun. So I feel like even if there's no bubble solution, it's entertaining. It has a little motor that requires 3 batteries. It does not come with the batteries, and you will need a very small screwdriver so that you can get that little battery plate on and off. But it comes together quickly, and they've thoughtfully included 3 bottles of bubble solution. I even had a good time practicing with it when I first started using it. I thought, man, this is really fun. So it's fun for adults and for children. Now, my grandson is 2, and he is really enjoying this bubble mower. The minute he goes outside, that's the first thing he runs for. And even if it runs out of bubble solution, so like it's not blowing bubbles at all, let's say, he just loves the way he can push it around. He loves the feel of it, and I just think he enjoys it even when it doesn't blow bubbles. So it has been a very successful toy, and that is my point of view.